In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address on Binance. If you're looking to receive USDT or Tether through the TRC20 network, this video will guide you step by step. We'll cover everything from logging into your Binance account to sharing your address. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account. You can do this by opening the Binance app on your mobile device or by visiting the Binance website through your web browser. Go ahead and enter your login credentials, your email or phone number and password, and sign in securely. If you've set up any additional security measures like two-factor authentication, now is the time to complete that verification. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the deposit section. If you're using the mobile app, look towards the bottom of the screen. For those on the website, you should find Wallet at the top. Tap or click on Wallet, which is your gateway to all your cryptocurrency transactions. From here, you'll want to select Deposit. This is the option that starts the process for receiving funds into your Binance account. Now, it's time to select the specific cryptocurrency and network. For this tutorial, we're focusing on USDT, so go ahead and choose it from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Next, when you see the network drop-down menu, select TRC20, which refers to the TRON network. This step is crucial. Ensure that TRC20 is selected. Picking the wrong network can result in a permanent loss of your funds, so double-check before proceeding. With the correct network selected, your TRC20 wallet address will become visible. This address can be seen as a QR code, which is a helpful option if anyone is scanning from another device, or as a long string of characters. You'll want to focus on this string of characters. Look for the copy icon next to your address and tap on it. Doing so will copy the address to your clipboard, making it easy to paste elsewhere. If you'd prefer a visual representation, you also have the option to save the QR code image to your device. Finally, it's time to share your address with the sender. To do this, simply provide them with the address you just copied. It's worth emphasizing again to make sure they are sending USDT using the TRC20 network. Any mishaps here can lead to your funds going to the wrong place, so clarity is key. That's it. You've successfully walked through creating and copying your USDT TRC20 wallet address on Binance. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful, and that you feel more confident managing your cryptocurrency transactions. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy trading.